Hey guys, this is the weekly update for the Plantry app. I'm happy to report that the application is now feature complete for the beta release. All essential infrastructure is stable, and I'm shifting gears from development to validation. Let's look at the board. Everything under finalizing column is now moved to the done column. I've confirmed full functionality of onboarding, inventory management, and complete grocery list workflow. This includes the checkoff logic. All the infrastructure is also cleaned up and stable. This brings me to a critical change outside of my original plan. I'm scrapping the weekly planner mill generation feature for this iteration. This was due to an unresolvable API limitation encountered last week. This decision eliminates the critical external blocker and ensures we focus entirely on user validation of the existing stable features I've built. The code for the mill planner has been completely removed to streamline the code base. The Plantry app has an onboarding flow. The user can choose to skip or see all the features that the app has. On the main planner page, they have a single meal generator. They can choose breakfast, lunch, or dinner. There's also the Preferences tab where they can select their diet preferences, set the max calories for the day, and the health constraints if they are allergic to anything. They can go back to the planner and click Generate Meal Idea, which will then pull up a randomized meal from the API based on their preferences. They can also click on View Full Recipe Inventory, and it will bring them to the web page where they can see the directions on how to cook. Also, on the individual meal, let's say they know that they don't have any pasta. So they can click on adding it to their grocery list, which will then add it to their shopping list. In their shopping list, they can once, let's say they're at the grocery store, and they've purchased the pasta, they can click on checked item, and it then puts a mark through it showing that it had already been shopped for. In their inventory, they can go and add what they have in their inventory. For example, let's say they have eggs. They can put 1, and then they would put the amount, dozen, add to inventory. Let's say they also have chicken breast. 1 pound of chicken breast. And milk. 1 gallon. And let's just say they also have cheese. Unless they put in the quantity, they won't be able to. Then you can click Find Recipe, and it says Ready to Find Recipe. Your inventory has 3 ingredients. Search now. Then it will hit the API call, will tell the API that it has 3 ingredients and to find a recipe with that amount. Here we have chicken pot pie. You see that it has the chicken the milk, and the egg. But we don't have an onion in our inventory. So here we can click Add to Inventory, Add to Inventory, Add to Inventory, or to Grocery List. Then we can go to our grocery list and see that those ingredients are finally there. Once we click on that, it changes it from to remaining to checked. What I was saying also about the states is that now when they close and they go back, their inventory is still there, as is their grocery list. That's it for the Plantry app. All right, thanks for watching. Until next week.